28th one. What determines the sex of a child? The chromosome content of the sperm. Okay, correct. The diagram shows the chromosome in a cell. Okay. Which diagram shows the product of one division of a cell by mitosis? So mitosis result in the same number of chromosome or different number of chromosome? Same number of chromosomes. So what would be our answer? Let me. It could be A. Okay, let's say mitosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis results in how many daughter cells in mitosis? Two daughter cells, and the number of chromosome remain same. Now tell me what is the answer? Look at the diagram. Yeah, it's B, not A. Okay. 30th one. The cell contain long thread like structure that carry genetic information. What are these called? Easy. Long thread like structures. No, thread like genes are only very small part of the DNA or chromosome. Okay, farmers sowed two breeds of cattle, the Jersey from Europe and the Sahiwal from the Africa. From many generations, the farmer picked out the offspring with the highest milk yield to breed the next generation. What type of process is this? Artificial selection, correct. A textbook states that, wait, let me copy the, okay, here are the options. Okay, a textbook states that the human insulin is a single dash and its production is controlled by single Y. What is this? Insulin is what? Is a protein and it genes. So answer is D. So a plant has 20 chromosomes in its leaf cells. Okay? They produce both asexually and sexually. What is the correct number of chromosomes in gametes and in cells for asexual reproduction and both the sexual reproduction? Oh, here is the table. Wait. Half number of, yes, they would have, gamete would have half and the asexual reproduction would be same. So what is your answer? B. Okay. Now the Leap and Shabnam made four statements about themselves. Okay. The Leap says, I'm a boy, I'm 150 centimeter tall, I'm not very good at games, and my blood group is A. Shabnam said, I'm a girl, I'm 153 centimeter tall, I'm good at games, my blood group is AB. What statement describe characteristic that show the discontinuous variation? What is the discontinuous variation in these? Of these four statements, the blood group, okay, one, and sorry, one, okay, it because it is controlled by genes. Okay, height is a continuous one because we have ranges of heights. Playing games is also have different ranges. The blood group is also a discontinuous one. So it's 1 and 4. Okay, next one. In humans, the alleles for albinism, okay, we have discussed albinism. What is albinism? In which there is no exactly, the pigment is not there. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, we have this diagram for a family, a mother and children. They have a chance of having an albino male. What are the genotypes of the mother or parent can be? Would they be homozygous or would they be heterozygous? Can be the recessive one, yes. It can be the recessive one. Heterozygous, correct. Okay. Huntington disease inherited by a condition caused by a dominant allele. Okay. Let's say it's capital H. If it's present, there would be disease. A person heterozygous for this disease, it means capital H and small h. And a person without a disease mean both are recessive, right? What is the probability of their child? Let's cross it. H and H, H and H. It would be like this. So, what is the probability? Yeah, okay. 0.5, 50% chances. Okay. The skin cell of an animal contain 8 chromosomes. Okay. How many chromosomes will be present in each of the gamete? Yes, it would be 4 because half number of chromosomes are present in gametes. Okay, let's move to the next one. 28th one. What determines the sex of a child? The chromosome content of the sperm. Okay, correct. The diagram shows the chromosome in a cell. Okay. Which diagram shows the product of one division of a cell by mitosis? So mitosis result in the same number of chromosome or different number of chromosome? Same number of chromosome. So what would be our answer? Let me. It could be A. Okay, let's say mitosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis results in how many daughter cells in mitosis? Two daughter cells, and the number of chromosome remain same. Now tell me what is the answer?